How to download Google Docs document as a PDF on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. After you finish editing your document on Google Docs, now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top right here on the file option, click on file, and you will find many options here. Go down until you find download right here, and you will find many formats as you can see. Now here you will find PDF, click on it and you will be downloaded this file or this document as a PDF to your PC, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.